In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on LinkedIn, signifying that you're open to work. This is a great way to let recruiters and your network know that you're interested in new job opportunities, making your job search a bit easier. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, we'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you'll be asked to sign in. You can do this either by using the sign in with Google option or by continuing with your LinkedIn account. Occasionally, LinkedIn might prompt you to complete a CAPTCHA for additional security, but don't worry, it's a simple step to ensure your account's safety. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage, where your profile photo is. If you haven't set a profile photo yet, this might appear as an initial or avatar. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select View Profile to access your LinkedIn profile. This is where you'll be able to make edits and updates, including indicating that you're open to new work opportunities. Upon viewing your profile, click on your profile photo again. This action might seem a bit repetitive, but it's how we navigate to the right place for the next step. After clicking on your profile photo, look for the Frames option. LinkedIn Frames are a way to visually communicate something about your profile to others. In your case, you'll be looking for the Open to Work frame. Select Open to Work from the available frame options. This frame will add a green banner to your profile photo, signaling to others that you're seeking job opportunities. It's a visual cue that's quickly recognizable by recruiters and others browsing LinkedIn. Once you've selected the Open to Work frame, the next step is to apply your changes. Click Apply to confirm your selection. This action updates your profile photo with the new frame. Almost there. After applying the Open to Work frame, you'll see a Save option. By clicking Save, you're confirming all changes and officially setting your profile to indicate that you're open to work. This is an important step as it finalizes your intention to broadcast your job-seeking status to your network. Lastly, to enhance your profile visibility and the chances of being discovered for relevant opportunities, you'll need to add skills to your profile. Click Add Skill to do so. It's crucial to select skills that accurately reflect your professional abilities and interests. Once you've found and selected your skills, remember to save your changes. Select your desired skill from the list or type to search for specific skills that match your expertise. After choosing your skills, don't forget to hit Save one more time to ensure your skills are added to your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated LinkedIn to indicate that you're open to new job opportunities, while also enhancing your profile with relevant skills. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated and indicating your job preferences can significantly increase your visibility to recruiters and potential employers. Good luck with your job search, and here's to new opportunities coming your way.